life is brilliant. My name is
Joe.
I'm only 7, and that explains why I've never had a best friend until you came along. But people stop and they look at us and they say that it's wrong. They say, you're a paedophile, you're a paedophile, you're a paedophile, they say. Your name is
Gavin.
and you're 45. But you don't let that come between us, and you make me hold your hand. We went to the park and we fed bread to a duck, and then you took me home so that we could eat dinner. And now I've got your fish fingers in my tum, and then you tried to push your food on my plate. You're a paedophile, they say. You're a paedophile. You're a paedophile, they say. But I don't care, 'cause you're always there. Like when you helped me find my spectacles, and when you fiddle with my hair. You find me after school, you watch me in the pool, you make me laugh when you act silly. You take me to the swings, you buy me sweets and things. Sometimes I play with your watch. You're a paedophile, they say. You're a paedophile. You're a paedophile, they say. Or have I misheard? Yeah, I've got the wrong word. I mean that you're my babysitter. And though you are my babysitter, you still take me up the